Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I'll be doing a Marc Jacobs City Tote Bag unboxing, and here she is in this beautiful packaging. Anyway, this is already my second tote, and I got the same city, which is Tokyo. Well, obviously I love Tokyo, Japan. And yeah, this one actually consists of 4 different cities. So there's one in London, Miami, New York, and then Tokyo. So I love the Tokyo so much. So anyway, let me show you the bag. I got this few weeks ago, and I just got a chance to film it. So this is how it looks. The Tokyo, Japan, right here. And then, as you guys could see the illustration, it's more of like a city lights of Tokyo over there. And then, well, there was some like kanji writings in it, so I can't read them. So I might need somebody to interpret those kanji writing. And then right here on this side, I think this is a Mount Fuji though, but I don't think it's located in Tokyo. So anyway, so this is the city lights. There's also a tower right here. I think it is pretty. And also it shows right here, yeah, it says the Tokyo bag Marc Jacobs right there. I was hoping that the print, the logo, actually it's like embroidered, but it's not. It is just painted, screen printed. But regardless, I think it's pretty right there. Very nice. And then right here in the corner, this is actually my favorite part. Look at those in lovely green color. It says Marc Jacobs right there, and also in the other side as well. It is so pretty. What makes, I mean, I could have gotten a different city, but I am obsessed with this. I'm the one that is in London. The one that is in London actually features the iconic London red telephone booth, that one. So they also have, I'm not really sure, there is a rose in it. I'm probably gonna have to link the photo right here on this side. And it has the safety pins and this beautiful rose. So that one is actually pretty, and I'm a little bit confused about the safety pins though. I mean I don't know what is the significance of that in London. I'm a little bit, I'm a little bit confused that way. And also the bag is actually made up of the green plaid fabric, which is nice. So I kind of regret it I didn't get that one, but maybe I'll come back later. I'm definitely I will get that one. And also there is another one in Florida as well. That one is very that one is actually in pink. It actually features the palm trees and of course the beach. So that is actually cute as well. And then also the New York. The New York is also very nice. Obviously we have the Statue of Liberty, obviously, and then the yellow cab, I believe. So that one is also nice as well, but my heart goes to Tokyo for some reason. So anyway, so this is still with the packaging. And then this is the back side of it right here. And this is the Marc Jacobs patch over here. Very nice. I love it. It's just like, it's very colorful. I love all the colors in here. And then at the bottom, there is no feet right here. And then this one has 2 handles over here. The handles are pretty sturdy right here. And then let's take a look at inside. All right, so this one has a zip closure, which I love. Oh my gosh, love it. And then obviously the teeth and the zipper is actually made up of plastic right here. And on the side over here, this is where you could put the strap. And then let's take a look at inside. So this is actually the guitar strap right here. And then we also have, oh, I forgot, this is the dust bag. So right here, yeah, very nice. And this one is actually priced as $250 US before tax. And then let's go back inside. Okay, let me just remove this stuffing. So this is how it looks inside. It's just like, you know, it has a very wide opening. It's just plain. And on this side, I think only on this side, it has a zipper pocket. And then I think this is the care booklet. I love it. And it is structured right there. And then this one is actually lined. The lining seems to feel very like silky smooth. And it was described as the material is actually described as fair or fail. So it is very smooth, very nice. And also right here on the piping, the interior piping, it shows Marc Jacobs right there. I'm not sure if my camera is picking up, but it is showing that Marc Jacobs right at the piping. And then the inside, it has a patch as well. What else do we have in here? I think, yeah, so it says here made in Vietnam, and that was just the code. And yeah, this is how it looks, the tote bag in Tokyo. Very pretty. I love that combination right there, the green and this one right here. Very pretty. And also, yeah, we have the strap over here on the side. And my favorite part is it has a zipper right there. It is so pretty. I am obsessed with it. And I have already used the other one that I've got. This is, like I mentioned, this is my second one. And the stitching right here, it seems to look beautiful. Yeah, there's a massive, like a large stitching over here. It's very nice. Actually, it's very well done, I must say. Yeah, that's pretty much it. And is it heavy? No, it's not heavy at all. This is the nice part of the purse. It is not heavy at all. So yeah, this is a perfect everyday tote, or if you're traveling, obviously, maybe sooner or later, I'm not really sure my schedule. With my schedule, maybe I could go back again to Japan, especially in Tokyo. So right here, yeah. So anyway, that's it for today, guys. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.